This is the last time you guys are gonna see my brows like this. This is the last time we're gonna see it. Very, very last time. Let's look at them not in the sun. Today is my brow appointment. I'm very, very excited. This is a long time coming, and it's crazy because my sisters and my mom even have gotten their eyebrows done and I have not. So very excited. Today I have my brow appointment. I am doing nano brows with Namita, and she is Brow Squared on Instagram, and I'm so excited. I decided I would take you guys with me because it's a long time coming. A lot of my friends know that my brows are probably one of my biggest insecurities outside of my like head hair. I have a big trust issue, so it's hard for me to trust someone to do my hair or trust someone to do my brows unless I've like thoroughly researched them and how they work. So, you know, it's a semi-permanent thing, so you need to be sure that the person you are going to is someone that you trust. Namita has done both of my sisters and my mom's eyebrows and they look phenomenal. So I'm very excited. I'm nervous. It's supposed to be about 2 hours to 3 hours to get it done, and yeah, I guess we'll see what happens. Here's my brows. Oh, okay, let's look at them not in the sun. So currently they're very sparse. I get them from my dad. They're not shaped at all, and I don't have any makeup on my brows. So this is the last time we're gonna see it. All right, I better tell her that I'm here. Yee! I'm excited to be on yours.
So what kind of look are you thinking a little bit more.
I would say natural, but I need to have an arch.
Okay.
Like I still need to have a strong arch because it's like part of me, I guess. Oh, so if I don't have a lot of tail, it's gonna look weird. Okay.
Yeah, if I do just like
Yeah. Okay, so we'll just stick with nano. Okay, cool. This is what they're gonna look like. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I didn't do my eyebrows at all because I was like, I can't remember what I can and can't do, so I'm just not gonna do nothing.
That's perfect. That's what I want. Because I want to see the natural shape of your eyebrows. This is the needle I'm gonna use. Expires 2028.
Okay. This is the color swatch. Looking pretty good.
Okay, let me just see how I can film that for you. Yeah. If you wanna come closer, that's fine.
Oh, you're good. I have a zoom. I'm like trying to imagine what it looks like under there. It's just a sore feeling, but it wasn't painful. Oh my god, they look so real. My husband's gonna be shocked. He didn't know what to expect. Oh my god. That looks so real. And by real, I mean like it looks like hairs. Doesn't it? It looks like hairs. Did you ever have like have you ever had like a client that was unhappy with it afterwards? So she, like, what would you do in that scenario?
I've not had any client that was unhappy, but I don't do anything without their permission, right? I let them pick the color, I let them pick the shape.
Yeah.
It's better to ask the client what they want, but you know, our work is on Instagram, so it's better.
Yeah, yeah. Because then everybody sees it. Like, I don't know anything about like what we did today and what I've heard from my sisters and stuff, but I know you teach. You teach, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like people can learn from you too. Okay, so this is what my brows look like now. They are sore. They are very sore right now, which is what I was saying there. But oh my god, they look great. Look at them. Oh my gosh, it looks fantastic. Look at them. It looks so real. It's crazy. I don't know how she did it. I will look back at this footage and see how she did it, because I was not, my eyes were shut the entire time, but I feel like they look so good and so natural, and they're only gonna look more natural as they heal. So she gave me an aftercare sheet and she walked me through a lot of this stuff. I had a very good experience. It was wonderful talking to Namita. 10 out of 10 would do it again, but hopefully I'm not gonna need to, because these brows will last quite a bit. What a great experience that was. Everything was very thorough. She explained everything from pre-care to aftercare to me. I would really recommend her, and I can't speak on behalf of the brows 6 weeks from now when they're fully healed. The first week I have to be consistent with cleaning it once in the morning and once at night. After that first week it would be pretty healed, so I will give you guys an update. Hi everyone, this is Camille, 6 weeks in the future of this vlog, and I just wanted to show you guys what my brows look like now that they've fully healed. So they look like this. I'm just filming this on my iPhone, so sorry if it's shaky, but that's what they look like now. I don't use any brow products on them at all, and there's also no makeup around them, so you could see the full effect. I've never felt so effortless waking up and not having to do my brows. I think for certain events, or if I'm going to be taking a lot of photos or videos or whatever the case may be, I may want to darken up like my tail or something, but for the most part, day to day, this is how they stay, and they look very natural, and I'm really happy with them. Like, look at that. I think she did a really good job, and yeah, I couldn't recommend her anymore. Namita's so sweet, and she does a fantastic job, and like she said in the video, you get the final say for everything, the shape, the color, everything. Also, if you guys are wondering, this, I went to go pick up Adriano, who was bent down, and of course he decided to pop up right when I was like hovering above him, and he split my lip. So oh my god, the difficulties of having a toddler. But yeah, anyways, back to the vlog so we can see what it looks like. But as of today, as of right now, this is what they look like fresh, and I think they look great. Yay!